Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva AI for website creation. Canva's artificial intelligence tools make designing a professional online presence incredibly straightforward. You can generate initial layouts, content suggestions, and even image ideas with just a few clicks. This powerful platform empowers anyone to build a stunning website without needing any prior coding experience. It's designed to save you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on your message and brand. To begin, simply choose from hundreds of professionally designed website templates or start with a blank canvas. The AI Design Assistant is your creative partner, ready to generate initial layouts and content ideas based on your input. Just provide your business details and preferences, and Canva AI will offer tailored suggestions, including images, compelling text, and harmonious color palettes, all designed to reflect your unique vision. Once the AI has provided a foundation, customizing your website is incredibly intuitive. You can easily drag and drop elements to personalize every aspect of your site's appearance. Edit text, replace images, and adjust colors to perfectly match your brand identity. Add interactive features such as contact forms, call-to-action buttons, and embedded media with ease. Plus, Canva ensures your website looks fantastic and is fully responsive across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. After perfecting your design, publishing your website is a seamless process directly within Canva. You can even connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional address. Utilize the built-in search engine optimization tools to help your website rank higher in search results. Integrated analytics features allow you to track performance and visitor engagement. Finally, share your stunning new professional website with your audience and watch your online presence grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.